I'm Julianne Hough, and you are watching Life Minute TV. It's culture. It's the arts. It's movement. It's storytelling, and it's just like a fixture of just like the sense of community and that we all have this shared experience. I love it. Dance is a universal language, and so I think it brings people together and connects us in a way that, like I said, we get this shared experience. It also moves you emotionally to interpret it however seems right for you. The beauty, the athleticism, the vulnerability that it takes to just put yourself out there. I just have so much respect for these dancers.
Every time I have an opportunity to come to a gala, I think this might be like my 24th gala or something with American Ballet Theatre. This is my family. This is, to be a part of this incredible history and legacy means everything. And to come and support my colleagues, and it's always a special night. This summer season at the Metropolitan Opera House is the most vital and I think most important for American Ballet Theatre throughout our history. So it means so much. This is home for us. That's another vital part of everyone's beings. I mean, it's everything that I do, it stems from being a dancer and having dance a part of my life. It's given me the tools, the confidence, the empathy, the strength to do everything that I do in my life. Everyone needs to have dance a part of their lives.
Quite a long journey putting this ballet together because we started, we were supposed to open in London with the Royal Ballet pre-pandemic. So it's been in my life for 5 or 6 years now, so it's great to finally have it here in New York with ABT, new interpretations, same ballet, a few tweaks here and there, but I'm very excited. Dance reaches everyone, and of course this is born from language, from writing, but we create our own language without words, and I think that reaches all audiences.
Well, it's something really important in life. I think it's the way that the first act of communication with Earth, the contact with Earth, with other, with the rhythm, with the music. So it's really important. In my life, well, I love dance.